Hi, this is Frank Conteska with MarineMax. I am here to show you our 2019 Sea Ray 25 Sun Deck. This boat has been redesigned for this year. Across the transom, you can see the manual fold-down swim step. You can have a rear-face seating when you're anchored, or a forward-face seating when underway. This is in the dune interior with the brown infinity woven carpet, black sports tower with black canvas. Moving forward, you have a nice helm area, leather bound wheel, 9-inch Simrad display, fusion stereo. Sea Ray changed this boat this year to have a large cabin and head. You can get an optional seating all the way across in there. Moving forward, you have a side walkthrough with bench seating across, cooler. Not only do you have access to your anchor through this hatch, but you also have access to a beach ladder, which will let you get up and off the boat. For more information on this boat or any other boat that we carry, please visit us at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey, or at marinemax.com. Thank you.